Dentistry is a very big business. Every year, thousands of students decide to become a dental assistant. They pay over £1,000 to their training providers to prepare them for a very difficult exam. The training that we receive is from poorly illustrated ancient textbook, which makes very difficult to understand and follow.
And that's why we have created Dental Tutors. Our team will transform this into this. We have combined our skills and knowledge to make dental studies more effective and enjoyable. And not only will we improve the quality of the studies, but also increase exam passing rates. We will replace books with animated videos, which are scientifically accurate and visually pleasant to watch. This will be the first dental school in the United Kingdom providing dental courses without books. The same teaching method has been introduced at Harvard University and has been a major success and a game changer. Our team consists of qualified dentists and 3D animators, and we already completed 80% of our content. This is our dream job, and we need your vote to make it a reality.